Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful Romanian coat which can be used in various crochet projects. So I'm going to use a bigger yarn to demonstrate. So you are going to tie your slip knot, insert your crochet hook, make one chain, make two chains. So you insert your crochet hook back into the first chain, yarn over and pull through. You have two loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through the two loops. So when you twist your hand a bit, you are going to see this V here. Then you twist it a bit again and you will see this bump here. So inside the little bump, you are going to insert your crochet hook, yarn over and pull through. You have two loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through the two loops. You will turn again and you will see the V. And under the V, you are going to see the bumps, these bumps here. So you are going to insert your crochet hook under this place. Insert your crochet hook, one, insert in the second loop, then you yarn over and pull through. You are not pulling through the two loops at a go. You have two loops on your hook, then you yarn over again and pull through the two loops. You twist your hand and you will see the V again. And right under the V we have the bumps. So you insert your crochet hook right under the bumps, yarn over and pull through. You have two loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through the two loops. So you turn again and this is the V. And under the V we have the bumps here. So you insert your crochet hook there, yarn over and pull through. You have two loops on your hook, you yarn over and pull through the two loops. You are going to turn again and you will see the V. Here is the V, and right under the V you will see the bumps. So you insert your crochet hook there, yarn over and pull through. Then you yarn over again and pull through the two. So guys, if you are getting any value from this tutorial, please kindly give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing, because on this channel I teach simple crochet DIYs and some interesting beading tutorials. So please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you. So basically you are going to keep repeating the same thing until you get the length that you want. And you can use this code to make the handle of your crochet bag, to make some Irish lace flower, and in so many other projects. So it is a very nice code and it's also easy to make. So thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.